Hi, Mom. Oh, hi, Tommy. So, where have you been? I thought I told your father to pick you up from school. Oh, I walked, and I mailed for Magnus. He taught me a lot of things about how to control my transformation. I figured I could do a lot of things almost like you. I could, make weapons, even make a grappling hook. I even have goggles. See? That's great, honey. You know, I always knew you would fit in, almost like I did. Well, almost. Your Aunt Jenny almost died was a killer robot. Yeah. But Mom, I always want to know, who is my grandpa? Well, here's the thing. Your grandpa, he's a he's a mad scientist. He he always built me to just a very important project. I left him to find your father. But then I left again because I was feared what I'd become. But your father saw the inside of me that there is good in me. That's why I know we were perfect together. To be a family. That makes you a great carbuncle. Wow. That was great, Ma. Thanks. Oh, I gotta go. I checked around here. No sign to set connectivities. Nothing on the parking lots. I check in my drones. They don't detect anything. Ugh. Some of us might go look at it in the old-fashioned way. We're already on it. Cut, blur, anything? Nothing, lads. Nothing from around the globe. Nope, nothing around here. Not a clue. Nothing in the air. Where are those dang Decepticons? I'm not picking up anything. Nope, nothing. Nothing. Not getting any sniffers. Nothing but airplanes and clouds. Oh, oh, nothing. Ah. Hey, I found a dead rat though. What was that? Nothing. Uh, Man, it's not like the Decepticons leave one single clue for them. It's like they know we were gonna find them. Ugh. I wonder what they're up to, really. Hope nothing is really bad.